Everywhere we go and through everything we touch, we experience the influence of gravity. So defining the point where gravity acts on an object is essential for understanding everyday interactions. The Investigating the Center of Gravity classroom kit has been developed to help students comprehend this concept. It's designed to support groups of 4 students in a collaborative learning environment. The hands-on activity investigates the center of gravity for 4 amoeba-like shapes and a larger challenge shape with the center of gravity at a point in mid-air. Each shape is ready to hang from a pin secured to a ring stand. As the shape is rotated and hung from another hole, its center of gravity will always line up with the vertical axis. So after I mark a few vertical lines, I can find the center of gravity at the intersection. Now I can balance this shape on one finger and prove that this point is the center of gravity. In each group, the students will find the center of gravity for all 4 shapes, A, B, C, and D. Then when they think they know what they're doing, throw them a curve, literally. The challenge shape is unusual in one key aspect. Its center of gravity isn't even on the shape itself, so where is it? Well, I can use the same technique again, draw a few more lines. So I guess the center of gravity is here in midair. But how can we test this one? I can't balance it on my finger, but we can spin it. This works because objects will naturally rotate about their center of gravity, even if that point is not on the object. Think spinning a basketball on the tip of your finger. The reason that works is because the axis of rotation intersects the center of gravity. This kit encourages students to collaborate and identify patterns between the different shapes in their group. Each complete kit contains supplies for 6 student groups. Included are 4 different shapes with holes along their perimeters, 4 pins for hanging each of the 4 student shapes, 4 cleverly designed pendula, 2 dry erase markers for drawing the gravitational axes, 1 large teacher shape, 1 large pendulum, an extra pin, and an instructional guide with activities and student worksheets. Additional student and teacher sets are available so you can tailor the activities to your classroom. Make sure to explore this and all the other cool stuff we have at arborsci.com.